I'm using the front facing camera, right? I'm at the run away. I'm a friend yard zine. So lyric after dark. I don't want to judge me, alright? But I got to talk about more. I think was somebody more on top about I should have thought this through. I didn't want to think it through because I wanted it to be, like raw. Wait, the one I think go mix my juice and so and pour and put on the water and so for tea and so and throw up my wine and so. We could do yeah, I was talking to my boyfriend about this. Okay, so we're going to do the foreign one, right? So there's a Nigerian guy that when I was staying in Florida this is before the kick out. Before that kick out or the after kick out? After the kick out. The last one was in Florida. I was staying there and we met on Tinder. I was a savage on Tinder. So I can tell you my Tinder stories. Okay, so that's what we're going to do this series, right? Tinder stories. So yes, he's Nigerian and he was not in the US and he was in New York at the time and he was debating flying me over or him coming over to me in Florida. So just curse me back at that now. Oh my god. Which, by the way, lashes, Naru Essentials, of course, and of course skin, Naru Essentials. She is getting your girl together. So I was really excited. It was like a date. So he flew over to Florida. I was like a date. So he flew out and we met up. He rented this sexy ass car. I think I have pictures. Yeah, I have pictures. So I think I can include them. So if I find them, I include them. But yeah, so a sexy ass white car. And yeah, we went out. We had dinner on like I was at the pier, but like on the beach. It was really good too. But yeah. So the thing with him though is so when we were like while we were on the date, he was on the phone on Tinder. That did throw me off. I never did rate that, is it? Because a bitch was gonna go on Tinder anyway after the date. Because and the thing with me too, and with me in general, you guys see who I am. I'm very upfront. That's who I am. Even when I was dating, I was like, listen, I only want what and nothing else. I don't want a relationship. I don't want money. No, that's all I want because I have a drive. Okay, so vroom vroom bitch, vroom vroom. Song because I don't know. I just never really had an expectation. So I just thought that was a little bit disrespectful. But oh my gosh, it was yeah. So yeah, like what like a singing song. You said a song. So oh my gosh, girl. And I was just not enjoying myself, but because true surf like that, so the sometimes I'm sorry. And he was coming down to see friends as well. So it just worked out for him to come over than for me to go over there. And I didn't want to go over there. That wasn't safe. You see me? And another thing to note with me, I don't know if I can tell. I don't know if I can say it like this. But I tell it straight up, sir, I am the type to eat the fruit in prison. Me tell you that from the jump. I am the mad girl. Me tell you from the jump, and it sounds aggressive. And I'm thinking, wow, if a man just say that to a woman, I'm like, well, like that me. I say to a man, so without recompense, without an afterthought, just maybe a bitter feeling. You see me? So, but it wasn't good. It wasn't good. Whenever enjoy blood cleanse, then no to blood cleanse. They have this Asian. Oh. Remember, because he knows all of my sexploitations, every single, because like we're legit best friends, and even in our relationship, like with like I see a guy that's cute or something, I'm gonna talk to him, I tell him, I'm like, okay, I want to talk to you as like my best friend, as my boyfriend, so alright then cool. And him and I talk and we just reason to us hard and cool and we zone back in. I don't know. I love our relationship. So yeah. So now yeah, girl, he was Haitian, but bitch, I'm tell you what him do. Dog, we walk on the effing beach. We're in Florida. We're in Florida, girl. We were on blood cleanser, blood cleanser. I'm ratted batty right of this girl. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I hope you did not hear that. I hope we could have cut it out. Yeah, but girl walk on beach, but I'm tell you, say like, sir, put it down like we're there. Oh my gosh. I really hope this conversation is not going to go anymore. But yeah, girl, what I say, sir, late it, and let me tell you how we met. It was so goddamn organic. Not on this is not a Tinder story shit, so it's not on Tinder. Right, moving on. So yeah, because I was in the apartment, I was walking night, you know, like yard clothes, and him see me and give me the double look. I'm like, me look up and I said, what now this? Me in yard clothes. And I said, no, but it look really good. I'm like, sir, he's like, you're Haitian. I know I'm Jamaican, because we understood like perfectly immediately. And I'm asking him, I said, I don't cool on WhatsApp, and we went out that same night. He's an Uber driver. I saw him like drive me around. It was just a really, really, really romantic. It was like a legit romantic date, like a date. Even when kiss, it was like a date. It was like, oh my god, it was so good. And then just move right along because I'm talking about me. You know blood cleanse one. You know all fire. Hey, fire, sir. I know all fire will and palm is so blood cleanse. And come at this, I mean, you can't tear me, move right along as good. I'm telling you, girl, but hand. Yeah, girl. Like groceries, girl. What you say? Like me and him dirt like what dick like what. Yeah, I remember him name. And then to blood cleanse Tinder again. One Choppa. I know. My only friend Choppa all the way up to Florida. He's obsessed with Lexus, like money. I'm obsessed with them something. And he's not that girl, you know. Because if a money are coming, believe me, you're not gonna ever get my attention. Just know that it is such a turn off. I'm dry right up, and it's not a usual. Not no, sir. I'm not let them something. So he was that type. But would he go on club? I'm again. Bat it up looking right because she was thicker and I had on these cute boots. I laid the down, honey. Come a dress. Yeah, and I can't be silly. This is so funny. So near the car, right? I want to sit down, I want to talk. And I'm talking to my man, I'm going to say, because me is a pusher. I'm going to test you. I'm going to sit down and, you know, I was just trying to sit comfortable. I had to move up and down a lot. Because, you know, I wanted to have a comfortable seat. You know, you understand? The ladies in the back, Kwani. Huh? Kwani, Jody. Come on at the front. Jody, right? Jody? No? What now? Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, I had to adjust. Yeah. So, and I felt what was happening. I was like, bet, let's just leave. I don't see why we're here. Horrible. God damn. Him just a beer stuff. Because him, it's so disappointing when a man, that's why. In our heart, real for him, you want it. We know if we can take him time because him have the length, we can take him time. Oh my salad. Oh god. Sorry. Oh no. I salad it. It was just really, it was just too much stabbing. It was oh gosh, no. Which blood cleanse, me nearly get one white man to rotted, one manga white boy, I want liquor store, manga piece of white boy. I'm gonna tell mama, grandma, okay, my grandmother is not the R word, but she's Jamaican, so only my Jamaican people can understand me. But she made a very harsh slur. I'm say, mama, you cannot say that. That is wrong, and that is not what he looks like. When she say, I say, Lord, that when he did manga, I say, I now waste my one white man for the manga. You know what I mean? I can't waste my 1 6 for the manga white, but I want liquor store, I do want it more upper. More up here. A little more height. I don't like that for myself. Meeting about which other foreign man. And then the same chopper man. Every minute him drive by the apartment. Oh, you know, I watch my friends. I say, not yours. I even. It's not yours. It's not yours. I would talk about this. I'm gonna want, sir. You used to drive past, bro. This baby girl. But yeah, can't think of no other story. Can't think of no other foreign story. If you think about any other foreign story, I'm like, no. But that is our first episode of All I Like After Dark. The nasty self. I don't mind being raunchy, but I don't want it to go too raunchy. So you let me know in the comments and give a thumbs up if you like this kind of video, because I can go in. Bye guys, thanks for watching.